It's a brisk morning, 2023, Howlin at the moon. Me, Dan, and Damon decided to drive to 7 Mile Gulch to Sage because saves about 5 to 8 miles of cold weather riding on the road. So we're gonna stage it up here, right up to the beginning of the A route and start our venture from here. I believe this is the beginning of the A route. All right, we're not sure. We think we're taking the A loop from last year, which should dump us out about the same place anyway, but we're already into it, so we're not going to turn around. Lots of loose rock. Yeah, this is some tough stuff here. Have to let these guys get ahead of me a little bit. Some gnarly stuff. Oh. Yeah, we made our own trail today here. We got to get back on the marked out course. I don't know what happened, but a lot of gnarly stuff here. Up and down, loose rock. This stuff is really hard when you're going uphill. Did you clip that tree? Yep. You all right? Damn, Damon took a little digger there. It's a good thing I seen him because he clipped that tree and I clipped the same tree, but I wasn't going so fast because I seen him down. I seen you, so I slowed down, so you kind of saved me.
My pinky.
Yeah, I did too. I don't have bark biters like you guys got. Man, that was some tough stuff. Hit a bunch of gnarly stuff back there. I turned the camera off because it just all looks the same, but it was pretty hard. Getting ready to head up here and hit a little bit more easier stuff. I don't mind that stuff so bad, but it's just so dry. Everything moves underneath of you. It just you have no traction. Your bike, you have no predictability on what the bike's going to do. This 450 is doing a lot better than I thought it was going to do. I'm actually, more I ride this thing, more I'm liking it. You know, I've stalled it a few times, which has nothing to do with the bike. It's just the fact that, you know, when you're used to riding a two-stroke, those things just do not stall as much as these four-strokes do. Have a good one. All right, I think we found the actual trail we're supposed to be on. This is an A route here of this year, actually, so. Hopefully it's not too gnarly, because that stuff back there with all that loose rock was not too fun. This is where the two-stroke gets a little bit better. I can a little bit more comfortable on the two-stroke and stuff like this because it's just lighter. I can pivot a little bit better, but this does better on a lot of the other stuff on the roads, and dirt roads. It's like it's easy, then you hit some hard stuff, then it's easy again. A cool little section here. Cool, thank you. I gotta hang back if I'm gonna get any video because it's so dusty it just looks like a smoke cloud. Oh shit. Come on. Shit, I missed the line. That right line was the better line. Cool little section here. Okay, where'd it go? There we go. Whoa! Oh shit! Sorry about that. Started off in the 30s and now I don't know what it is, but it's getting warm. This is a really cool trail. Holy shit. Finally some water. That's all right. That's a fun trail. These foot pegs are pretty sharp, and they really hold my feet on them. So sometimes I go to take my foot off for balance, and I'm stuck to the damn things, which is kind of a good thing and kind of a bad thing. But this is, I think, my favorite trail today so far. This thing's awesome. Yeah. We were just down in this area 2 weeks ago, and I think I kind of rode up this trail just a little bit to see where it was going to go. Creep along the side here. We're good.
I think you just take Senator now to Crown King.
Is that it? Okay. Well, all right, we are almost there. I've used like 1.8 or 1.9 gallons out of 2, so I don't know how much I really got left, but man, I'm coasting into town on fumes. I'd done 60 miles of, realistic 60 miles of hard and single track and some 2-track, uphills, some sand. That's about all I think that this is going to get. So definitely going to need a bigger gas tank or just to carry some fuel with me. Get down here and relax and eat some lunch. I got to take some ibuprofen. Put some rock down here. This is all new. First half of the ride, howling at the moon. Pull in here, grab some food, get some gas. Yeah, you just want to pull up close, and we'll just do it all at once. Dude, 1.8. That's exactly what it said I used. Dude, that's pretty accurate. I mean, let's see this. I'm gonna fill it up. I don't know.
Yeah, go with the max.
I know this thing sticks down in there a little bit. I think that's about all I can get.
What do you think? You have fun, Bart?
Yeah. Yeah, it's always a good time, man, Anytime I'm on 2 wheels. How much is gas, man? $8 a gallon. That's pretty good.
$8 a gallon?
Fuck yeah, it's cheap.
Yeah.
All right, on our way out, we're heading back down like the front way you would come in from Bumblebee. So we're gonna make our way back down by Mayer. What a day, I lost my mirror on the trail somewhere. I'm not gonna lie, I'm hurting a little bit. Had to pick up some ibuprofen at the general store back there. Kind of nice just cruising these roads like this. No effort, gives me a little break. Cool scenery. Well, we're nearing the end of the B route here. Whew, it's been a long day. And we're gonna hop out on the road and head back to our truck, and then we'll take it back to the Elks Lodge. We did 114 miles so far. We're probably gonna be into this for, I'd say 130. maybe 130 miles. Last 2 miles, my ass is sore. And that is it. Wow, 134.7 miles. All right, we're gonna head back to the lodge and check in, get some food, and that is it for the for the dual sport this year. Howling at the Moon.